Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day. My name is NURUL and RASHID. Welcome to my game Notexpedea, a simple game made using Unity and Spatial.io. Together with me today are my friends. They are here to demonstrate that this game is a multiplayer game. Here they can interact with each other by using the chat box. The assets I use in my game are taken from sketchfab. Most of them are in FBX type. Over here we can see a ship with Computer Graphics Multimedia Association logo on it, and on the other side of the island we can see a ship with UTM logo. In case you have been wondering if this video is actually mirrored, yes, it is actually mirrored. This is due because I accidentally made a few mistakes regarding the logo placement, so I had to mirror the video. The reason why I'm emitting this is because I would like my junior who is watching this to avoid this kind of mistake before submitting the assignment. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.